Hey, welcome history students. We're getting ready to start week one, and I wanted to put a video together for you. You can see me a little bit up there at the top, your top right. But what I want you to focus on is we have new discussion questions, new requirements for those discussion questions coming up this term. It will be completely new. I really hope that everybody gets a chance to see this. So what I wanted to do in the next minute or two is go through the discussion forum requirements, and I have it all listed here for you. New posting due dates. Main post, your main post for your discussion question each week will be for DQ1 and DQ2 are now due by Wednesday night. If they come in later, they're going to lose points. That first post has to be in by Wednesday night. Ideally, this initial post should be your initial response to the question. Peer responses for both questions are still due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So you have some time, but you definitely need to get in those first two posts for discussion one and discussion two. All postings should be on 3 separate days. This is strongly encouraged. I have it right here showing that to you. So make sure that you're aware of these posting dates. Here it is really quick, made it a little bigger. Discussion question one and discussion question two, main post is now due by Wednesday night. Peer responses, 2 responses for each question are due by Sunday night. That used to be 3 questions for this class, or 3 responses. Now it's 2 responses, so that makes it a little bit easier. The goal is to be engaged in the discussion forum several times a week so that you guys are all involved in what's going on. Now, there's a criteria for how we're going to grade this, and this is important. So timeliness is important. They need to be in by Wednesday night. The frequency, you should have it come on 3 different days, and the quality will go as high, medium, or low. What will end up happening is there's possible points possible, I guess I'm saying that correctly, for each of these things, and it goes as indicated here. Timeliness is 10 points possible, frequency is 30 points possible, quality is 60 points possible. The whole idea here is to get people to start to give more quality posts. Here are some examples. Quality measurement, if it's high, it indicates a mastery of the materials assigned. In other words, you're saying something and explaining why you're saying what you're saying, or why you believe the information you found is correct. Medium isn't going to give me quite as much of a deep thought as the high would, and low ends up being more of like laugh out loud. I agree, that's so true. We want to get away from those because that's not doing anything for the post. So make sure, excuse me, make sure that you're getting that in. So if you look at this, take a good look at the quality measurements here. I paused for you, let you see it. If you have any questions, let me know. But I really wanted to get this out to you guys. I wish you the best in class. I'm so excited to have you in class. I love this class. I love talking about the things that we cover. It plays a significant role in our past, but also in our future and in our present. So good luck. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you, and have a great